First snowstorm of 2022. Here we go. I am headed to the lake. I want to go see the lake. Wow. First big snow of the year, 2022. February was today, the second. Woo! This is great. I am so glad I do not have a job where I have to get up at 2 in the morning and deal with this anymore. Oh, this is so nice. So nice. This is Fullerton. Can't even see downtown. Not even there. And it's gonna do this all day. That's Chicago living for you. That's the lake. I don't want to get too close because I don't know where this edge really is. This is awesome. That's downtown. Ah, this is so great. This is fun. All right, time to head back. Oh, jeez. Gotta head back to my dog. He's sleeping. Duncan is sleeping. No way I'd take him out here, right? Oh man. Woo. That's good. That's good. As I went underneath the bridge, a plow came by and just knocked snow all over us. I don't know if the camera caught that or not. I'm sweating. I'm always warm, man. I'm sweating. There's like no path really, so you kind of just gotta, I mean, sort of a path, you know, you got some lines, but mostly not. Oh, it stings. It hits your face, it stings. People are out jogging. One woman had her husky off the leash just running. He was super happy, man. Oh, no path. Ran out of path. Okay. Good times. Yeah, I'm not even cold at all, really. When you layer up and you got the right gear, snow can be great. You just need the right gear. Look at the snow. Woo! Snow angel. A one-hand snow angel. Okay. Now let's see if I can do it without the handprint in the middle. Oh, I can't. Or the footprints or the... Oh, hand up. Nope. A one-handed snow angel. If I walk backwards, if someone's trying to trace my tracks, they'll see them going one way, not this way, I think. Is that sneaky or does that not work? I don't think it works. But you know what? It doesn't hurt to try. Oh, this is awesome. There's the North Pond in Lincoln Park. Look at all those geese. See if I can zoom in. I don't know. Maybe in post. All those geese. Or ducks, I can't tell from so far away. That's kind of cool. This pond got frozen, or gets frozen, I guess, so easily. I don't really know. I saw a kid playing hockey on there, which is awesome. Especially in the city, sometimes you don't have the outside areas to do those activities, so take advantage while you can. See if I get a cool shot here with all this stuff. Obviously, a lot less wind, a lot warmer here, getting closer to the, the buildings instead of right on the freaking lake. But that was awesome. Oh, got some sledding. People out sledding, that's awesome. It's supposed to keep snowing like this until tomorrow. Last I checked on my phone was like 11 in the morning, and it's just gonna keep coming. So if I was at my old job, not to talk about it too much, I would have to get up at 2 this morning and probably tomorrow as well. And it would have been a mess and a pain and exhausting. But instead, I don't have to do that anymore. Ooh, almost fell there. And we are home. Hi, Sleepy. Hi, Sleepy. And we are back. Oh, I was only gone for like 45 minutes, but I am sweating. All right, let's hang up this stuff to dry. That's 1. That's 2. And that is it. I am sweating. Oh, huh. If you have the right gear, you're fine in the cold and the snow. I feel drenched. I feel cold. I'm not cold. I just feel wet. And we're back. That was the trip. Yeah, bud? You wanna come lay in my lap for a little bit? Yeah. That is the blizzard. That is what's going on right now, and it is awesome. February 2nd. So thank you guys for watching. Please do all the things of liking and subscribing. I feel weird saying that stuff sometimes, you know? See you guys in the next video, I guess. It's awesome. Chicago.